In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Then launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options. When you finish, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, here it is, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!